Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Chime temporarily unavailable how to fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the issue, first what you can do is head over and open up your app store. Then on the search bar simply type in Chime mobile banking. Then once the app loads, simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing. So just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back to your home screen, then select Settings. Inside Settings, what you need to do is select General, and inside General, simply tap on iPhone storage. Now once you're inside your iPhone storage, here what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find the Chime app, and then simply tap on it. Now once you're inside here, you'll be provided with two options, that is Offload app and Delete app. Simply tap on Offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once that's done, all you gotta do is go back and then try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.